All right, we are here. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of our 2-bedroom apartment here at Vistana Resort by Independence Drive. So when you walk into the apartment, the first thing you see by your left here is the full kitchen. The kitchen is fully equipped with utensils, pots, and everything you need. So here is the washer and dryer combo, a nice refrigerator, and here is the first bedroom in this apartment, which is going to be my kids' bedroom. They have nice 2 beds in the bedroom. So here is my husband trying to turn on the fan. And they have a nice television also. So here is the first bathroom also. This bathroom is going to be my that's the kids' bathroom. Excuse me, I had to turn on the light to see what they have here. Okay, they have some towels, blow dryer, and is fully equipped with all toiletries, lotion, hand wash, tablet soap, conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo. So when you come out of the bathroom, so this is the bathroom and that's the bedroom, the first bathroom, and here we have the dining area. It seats 6 people, and here is the pull-out couch. So this is the living room with a television and a DVD player. And this is a storage room where you can put your belongings. And here's another storage room where you can hang your coats or put your belongings if you want. And this is the second bedroom, which is the master bedroom. We also have a nice television in this bedroom. It's very beautiful. I love it. I love the bedroom more. That's the bathroom, but before we get there, this is me shaking myself out on this the huge mirror there. So here is the master bathroom. There's a jacuzzi there, so you can get in and get out if you want. So they have a nice jacuzzi, and they have 2 vanity, one on this side and one on the opposite side. So one for me, one for my hubby. So here is the toilet. I love this toilet because it have its own separate door. So you're doing your business there, you close the door while another person is out doing his or her business also. So, and they have a huge shower. Look at that shower. Look in there. It's so big. Like this can take like 4 people at the same time bathing. And right beside the vanity, there's the mirror. Oh, that's the the closet. That's closet with extra sheets on top there. So this is my beautiful daughter looking out the window. So this view is from the master bedroom. Look at that view. So when you're at the bedroom, you look out, you see people and the pool. So I think this resort have about 3 pool or 5 pools. So that's the first pool. I'm going to take you guys to the second pool. That second pool is my favorite. So here is the balcony area where you can sit, chill out with some chilled drinks. So I love this balcony. This balcony is my favorite because it's all protected, no bugs coming in. What you are seeing is a kind of net to protect us from bugs. So this is the view from the balcony also. That's the pool, same pool you saw from the bedroom. So this is same pool. I love this. I love this place. This is one of the best resorts in Orlando, here in Orlando, and it's very close to the SeaWorld. And this is another view from our main door, like the main apartment door. Once you come out of the apartment, you see that view. So let's walk around. So guys, cheers. This is awesome. This property is giving. It's awesome. Anytime you think about Orlando, just think of Vistana Resort Village. I need village. Village.